Hey Roxy, so here's my truck. Um, it's got a digital display. As you can see, it's not your normal display. Um, and then it can actually, on this control here, it can actually change what's on the screen. Tells me what the tire pressure is on all my tires, my fuel economy, oil life, brake pad life, air filter life, what my transmission fluid is doing. This is my big screen here. So here's my cameras. So I got front facing, rear facing. I think this is rear view. Oh, and then I got front facing. That's kind of weird. Anyway, it's supposed to show like the tailgate view. Oh no, wait, no, that's a different one. So yeah, that's more cameras. Then you got the side cameras. Then you got the hitch camera, and then you have truck bed camera. That's kind of crazy. And then you have the Google Maps. Look how big that screen is. And then you have music. I can do like YouTube. And it's being slow to load. And then there's all the other settings like Spotify's in here, news, Waze, Alexa, settings to control pretty much the whole vehicle. There's Wi-Fi hotspot in here. See the Wi-Fi hotspot. And then down here is my whole climate control and some of my buttons like lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop. There's actually a button that drops the tailgate. I don't have the feature to where it will actually self-close on the tailgate, but mine does drop with just a push of a button. And then traction control, things like that. And then you have the heated seats that heat the front and back, or just the back only. And then you have the air conditioning seats, which is that top button. This is actually the button that starts the truck and turns it off. Then it's got a big storage compartment here. It's electronic shift, so it looks really weird, but you just kind of flip it and then like press this button and then it puts it in gear and everything. And yeah, it's really weird. The steering wheel's got when you put it in manual mode, the steering wheel's got paddle shifters, which is the plus and minus switches. It's got a heated steering wheel button right here. There's a cruise control. This is for making calls or commanding the truck to do something, like tell it to what song to play and all that kind of stuff. And back here I have some sweatshirts and stuff, so don't mind the mess. Gotta put it down so I can drop the seats and show you. So this is the back seats. And then it's got heated seat controls. It's got plugins for for a charger. It's got a drop down for cup holder right here. It's got storage compartments here. I keep my reusable bags right in here. Same with the other side. And it's got a power back window. Does not have a sunroof. But yeah, it's my truck. It's pretty fancy, huh?